Hey YouTubers and all DARON fans. Today I'm going to show you my DARON worldwide trading British Airways Airbus A380 die-cast replica model. This is die-cast metal with plastic parts and authentic livery, and it's made for ages 4 and up. And then we have the warning choking hazard, because that is required by the CPC that any toy that has small parts should have a warning on their package. And here is the back. It shows you British Airways A380, and it's not suitable for children under 3 years old due to small parts which could be swallowed. And this was exclusively distributed by DARON Worldwide Trading Incorporated in Fairfield, New Jersey. And Airbus and its logo A380 are registered trademarks. It's manufactured by DARON Worldwide Trading Incorporated. It's just that it's under Airbus license. And the trademarks depicted are used by DARON Worldwide Trading Incorporated, and that it's also used under license from British Airways from the United Kingdom, and it's made in China. So I am going to unbox this big fella, and I'm going to show you up close, so I will be right back. So here is the plane. Sorry for the brightness. So here's the plane. It's all white. Got the British Airways logo on both sides, and it's got the Union Jack flag kind of pattern design on the rear fuselage, and it's got the little emblem. Zoom in. Yep, there's the emblem, and it's got the stripe red on the front and blue on behind. Let's see, it has the flag of, not sure, almost looks like the flag of Gibraltar. I'm like, why would it have Gibraltar on it? It should have the regular Union Jack flag on it. And that's its serial number. There's the flag pattern. And models an Airbus A380, and if you don't know, Airbus is a airplane manufacturing company from Europe, and that British Airways is an airline from the United Kingdom, headquartered at I think London Heathrow. I think it's London Heathrow. Well, their main hub is at London Heathrow. And the bottom has the blue base, and it has blue engines. Pretty cool. Do want to compare it with some other die-cast. Let's see. I want to compare it with my other Airbus A380. As you can see, they both are the same model. Just that they do have some paint differences. I also want to compare them with my 747s, the United. See, here's United. Here's the United. Here's the United Boeing 747-400. And here's the British Airways Airbus A380. They're different kind of planes, but somewhat similar due to their engine, because of their 4 engines and the big wings, and that on like the hump on the front has the double deck, and that on the A380 it's all double decker. Also Air Force One comparison. So I had taped up with some white like stickering and stuff like that on Air Force One because the paint was coming off and it bugs me really. So we got Air Force One and British Airways. Yep, pretty cool. So we got President of the United States and British Airways, or it has the monarch symbol on the sides here. So I think that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and hopefully I can find more DARON die-cast model planes like this in the future. And thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.